Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn Abacus Teacher's Training Book, page number 6. If here 9 is there and again we want 9, then we have to use a formula 9 is equal to minus 1 plus 10. Now we are going to learn few sum related to this formula. Now I am going to solve sum A, H and J. Sum A 1 9. Now we can't add 9, so we have to use a formula 9 is equal to minus 1 plus 10 and again 9. So answer is 19. Sum H 1 6 and 29. For 2-digit number always we have to split and calculate. So first we will do 20. And for 9 we use formula minus 1 plus 10. So answer is 36. Three 19. For 19 we will split the number first 10 and for 9 we use formula minus 1 plus 10 and again for 9 minus 1 plus 10. So answer is 31. On 1's place, if 1 is there, we can add 8. But if 2, 3, 4, any other number is there, then we can't add 8. So that time we have to use a formula 8 is equal to minus 2 plus 10. Now we are going to learn few sum related to this formula. Now I am going to solve sum L, M and Q. Sum L 8. Again 8 means we have to use a formula minus 2 plus 10 and for 9 also we have to use a formula minus 1 plus 10. So answer is 25. Sum M 9 18. First we have to do 10 and for 8 we have to use a formula minus 2 plus 10 and for 9 we have to use a formula minus 1 plus 10. So answer is 36. Question number Q 4 28. So first we will do a 20 and for 8 we use a formula minus 2 plus 10. For again 8 we use a formula minus 2 plus 10. So answer is 40. Except first place, whenever double digit number is there, always split the number and calculate.